guys, welcome back to another episode of Slime Ultra. How's our beautiful tabby slime mother? Yeah, they're doing great. Today we're going to be trying to go to a new area, so time to find some food. You think the world's on trees? Technically, yeah, like mommy is paper. Don't you ever talk back? I'm trying to do this glitch. Where's the damn food? Smoking me yet. There's gonna be a 10-minute video because I'm not going to the mood to play, so let's go. What's this? Fire room. Is this the Gordo place? Okay, time to feast. Oh, damn. Oh, yes! Yes! Damn. That's tragic. Everybody do the flop. Everybody do the flop. You're only 2 minutes in, I just won it. You're not hungry. It's getting my promo foods. Give me my promo foods. Give me my damn promo foods. No pomegranates. No. Come on. No! Slime, no food. Oh my god, oh. God. Slimes with 2 brain cells and 1 killing cells. Slime in the brain cells basically fell in the water and never died. What else I say it? Start getting enemies. Honey chickens. Why did it sound like a food? I have to stop push roll. How did I not find that? I like polo fruits, like pomegranates. Oh! Yay! Give me that. Slime keys. I'm jumping up and down, down, up and down. 4 minutes? That's a lot, but I got to go. Like, what the heck? It's dark time. And is this another Goro? Let's beat him. Whoa, who are you guys? There was slimes. Well, bye-bye. Bye bye to you. It's hard to be nice for the stomach. Oh, it seems like angry, ouch, angry slime. Direct, ouch. Time to open the precious door. Moss blanket. I'm kind of scared something pop-ups behind my back. Okay, that was nothing. Whoa, what is this? Bullets having a water boat. Fucking fun. Who are you? Puddle slime. I would put a one in your boot. I will eventually put a slime in your boot. But why? Why? Right. Gold pink larvas, okay. Whoa, so many new slimes. Whoa. No, there's only one. Honey slime. Mangoes. Dude, I need to ranch some of these in my ranch. Next mango. Whoa, Fossil honey looks so beautiful. For this one, nah. Not for you. Ah! Die in water. Die. It's dead. Okay, I saw a red slime. Who are you? Who the heck are you? Boom slime. Be careful. These slimes are known to explode. I'm stuck in the water. Help. Oh. There we go. Another boom slime. He turned into a red. Oh. 2 more minutes. How did you escape? Get back in there. Explosive. Okay, we're gonna ride this. I need a little bit more money. This is not enough. Wait, guys, I have to do something. Alright guys, I'm back. 9:42 seconds. That's a lot. That must be the video. Guys, I'm back. I'm gonna end the video here. So, bye. Found new stuff and yeah. Bye bye. Oh, how do I turn this off?